Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Revolut to Twitch panels. First thing I want you to do, I want you to just launch up your Revolut app, come to the bottom, click on transfer, come to the top right, click on new, and then I want you to scroll down until you see create a payment link. I want you to go ahead and click on this, and then choose request money, choose your currency, choose the amount, okay, you can add a note if you want, and then hit request. You'll get this link. You can just go ahead and copy this, okay? And what we're going to do, we're going to go to Twitch now. And then on Twitch, what you need to do is just come here to the top right. Click on your profile icon. Click here on channel, okay? I want you to scroll down. You'll see about, right? I want you to click on about. Scroll down again. You'll see edit panels. So toggle this one on. And now you can add panels. So you can add a panel title. You can just type in Revolut, add image. In this case, just add the, Revolut logo. Okay, you can even add the link. And then here in the description, you just go ahead and paste in that link, the Revolut link right here. Okay, and when you're done, just go ahead and hit on submit. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.